everyone, today we are here again, Northshore.
Perfect. This place is awesome.
Yeah, it's famous and convenient for everything.
What kind of everything?
Okay, if you walk there, you hit Terminal 21.
Down over there to the right, right?
Yeah, on the second road, you just walk. And this way, you can go Central Mall.
Central Mall?
Look at the view outside.
Oh, okay. Oh, she's strong today.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
It's not that heavy.
It's heavy.
Oh, this is an awesome view, yeah.
Yep. Pattaya beachfront.
Yeah, pretty high up. What floor is this?
25.
Okay, pretty high up. So we have Beach Road down here.
Beach road down there. Over there, Central Mall, and you get a very nice view.
Yeah, it's a perfect view.
Perfect view. It's a nice day today.
Sit down here, have a couple beers, all right?
Yeah. You.
All right, you want to close it?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah.
She's been working out, guys. So the furniture here is pretty awesome too.
Yep. This is a couch for living area.
Is it nice and soft?
I think so. And I like the
glass table? Yeah, it's pretty cool.
table with the view.
You don't get that at Index or Home Pro, right? That's kind of custom.
Now this furniture is import.
Import?
Import.
Oh, import from where?
France.
Oh, it's French, huh?
France, yeah.
I like the views they get from the full two sides here.
Panoramic.
Panoramic, yeah.
Panoramic view.
And this cool statue over here on the right, on that glass table. That's pretty cool.
This statue
Yeah.
is like Sukhothai style.
Sukhothai?
Like city, ancient city of Thailand.
Oh. So not Home Pro, huh?
Wood carving.
Wood carving, yeah.
Okay, got
I want to get TV, get the TV and aircon. Can't forget about that. So here's the first bedroom. This is the master?
master bedroom.
Oh. Another aircon in the corner. Perfect.
Decor, and you can open to the balcony outside too.
Oh, it has a second balcony.
Yep.
It should be open. There you go. Oh, a nice little balcony here.
You have little balcony set here.
Oh, and we could put your towels or your clothes here. You can hang them. That's cool. I still like this view here. This is an awesome view. It's a very cool view. And then when you run out of beer, you could run to these guys here because they all sell beer.
So I think plenty of bar.
Oh, so you guys could get your new girlfriend from over here, huh?
New girlfriend.
New girlfriend.
Okay, come with TV there. Stop with girlfriend number 2 or whatever.
All right, get TV here in the corner.
And like they have like mirrors.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Can you open it up? See what kind of storage you get inside here. Oh, you got the good stuff. You got the wooden clothes hangers. And then we have the restroom here behind you.
Ensuite restroom.
The ensuite restroom, yeah. Yeah, that's cool. We got a sink, got the toilet.
Big mirror.
Big mirror.
Oh, yeah, mirror around here. Okay, the shower.
Yeah, the shower here,
The
yeah.
shower pretty nice.
Yeah, that's cool.
See, I like the tiles.
Nice design, yeah. And then this door slides, huh?
Sliding door.
Oh, bye-bye.
Okay, let's go to the next bedroom. Forget.
Oh,
behind the
Oh,
door.
more closet, huh?
More closet. Yeah.
So if we get this, that could be my closet because I only got a little bit of stuff, and then you get the rest of this stuff here, and you still fill it up too.
I think so. It's true.
Still fill it up with all your clothes.
Little.
Yeah, and then you'll take over mine, and then I get a corner of just that one.
This is the second bedroom, and you can get the view.
Yeah, it's a cool view for your bedroom here.
I show you in this room.
So you watch TV and look at the ocean.
And little office.
Put your laptop there.
Yep.
I like the chair. Chair's pretty weird. Yeah, like,
I tried.
looks kind of comfortable, I guess. Is it like okay? Or does it remind you when you were in school?
Oh, when I was in school.
Yeah.
Hmm.
You don't remember anymore?
It's a long time.
A long time. Wasn't that long ago.
Okay, it's not long actually.
More closet.
More closet. Wait.
There's your hangers. Perfect.
I like the building. It's a real wood.
I like the bell. Oh, so the aircon's on top of here, so that's always important. Oh, and it has a restroom too, huh?
Yeah.
Another ensuite,
Ensuite.
another shower, toilet.
And flowers.
Yeah, it's important.
I don't know if it's important or not. But yeah.
Cool. I like it. Look at this guy. He's the captain.
Flowers on his hand.
Yeah.
A little clock.
Ah, so you know what time to take a shower. Very cool. And the kitchen, huh?
And the kitchen.
This is where the magic happens, huh? Where you make the loud move, chicken wings,
Yeah.
cow.
And a lot of storage here.
Oh, the washing machine.
Washing machine, fridge, big fridge.
A lot of storage space up on top. Comes with the cups and the glassware, plates.
Yeah.
Cool. I like it.
4 burners.
4 burners, yeah.
Microwave. Hood.
Oh, yeah. Perfect. Perfect, yeah. It's a good
And
Good
if
kitchen.
you don't want the smell when you're cooking, you can keep the smell inside here.
Yeah. Perfect. And what is this here in the corner?
This for your shoes.
Oh, yeah. Pretty cool. I like that.
To keep your room clean.
Yeah. All right. So tell us some information about this. How much it costs, the square meters.
Okay. This room is 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom, 112.28 square meters.
It's a huge unit.
Yeah, huge unit. For rental, 1 year contract, 55K.
55K baht.
Yeah,
Okay.
5,000.
Yeah, that's not bad for this size of a unit and this kind of view.
And this location is like very, very convenient.
Yeah, this is a very high in demand area here. Because you got the party stuff to the right,
This stuff.
and then you
Okay.
got the rest of the city here.
And many restaurants around here too.
Yeah, it's perfect. It's a perfect unit, I think. So let's go check out the facilities, huh?
Okay, let's go swimming pool.
All right, let's go.
Pool behind me. And you can see the ocean.
Yeah, it's a nice bright day.
Right. Not great day today.
Yeah, it's a little hot, huh?
No, it's too hot.
It's a little hot.
Yeah, a little hot. It's a nice pool.
Yeah, it's a big pool. Here's the building right here. Cool. Wanna go swim? that a yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, let's go check out the gym.
All right, let's go. Right outside from the pool area here, got the gym. I remember here we were last time, and then we played pool, I think.
Oh, yeah.
I think I saw in the corner of the gym here, there's a lifting room, like a weight room.
Yeah.
I don't think we saw this last time.
Free weights.
Free weights, yeah. Okay. Oh, all right, lift it up. That's cheating. You can't.
It's heavy.
That's cheating.
Oh my god. It's another room.
All right, let's see. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's pretty good. Easy.
Get out of here.
Get out of here.
I'm hungry.
You haven't ate?
No,
No.
I don't have pancakes like you.
Pancakes were good. And they were warm. And delicious.
Delicious.
Alright, so where we're going now?
Eat
Yeah, we're gonna meet up your friend.
and jump Tian Beach.
Jump Beach, alright.
Let's go.
Someone's eating chili and not supposed to. You got video proof?
I'm fine.
Fine for now. Oh, here's Tip. Hi, Tip. She's cool. And you, not cool. I got some chicken satay. You got the chili. Don't look over there. Cover your eyes. Oh, that's good.
It looks so good.
Not for you. It hurt you. Alright, say bye-bye.
Bye.